In this video, you will learn how to buy bonds on Charles Schwab. First, log in. Log into your Schwab account, go to your Charles Schwab website or the app, then log into your brokerage account using your credentials. Go to the bonds section. From the top menu, tap on trades, then click bonds, CDs or fixed income. Choose a bond type. Select the type of bond that you are interested in. This could be a corporate bond, a municipal bond, Treasury bonds or CDS bonds, so certificate of deposit. Search for the available bond. Use the Schwab Bond Finder tool to filter out credit rating, maturity date, yield and other preferences. Review the bond dates. Click on the bond listing to see if there's key information such as maturity, price and interest rates. Place your order. Click buy and enter the quantity, usually in $1,000 increments. Review the order, then click submit to complete the purchase. Now you have bought bonds on Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.